Hey guys, welcome back to Six Sister Stuff. Today I'm making chicken noodle soup in the Instant Pot. So I'm Kristen, I am sister number 2 from SixSisterStuff.com, and I love chicken noodle soup. It's one of my most favorite things to make. So over on Six Sister Stuff, I went and took our chicken noodle soup recipe and I converted it into an Instant Pot recipe. So I'm gonna put both links in the description. One for the normal recipe, one for the Instant Pot recipe. Now, if you're new to this channel, welcome. Every Monday, I'm sharing a new Instant Pot recipe with you. So make sure you subscribe and push that little bell so you can get all the notifications every time I post, especially if you're looking for Instant Pot recipes. All right, you guys, let's head on to my kitchen and make this Instant Pot chicken noodle soup. Yep, that's how it works. Sarah, hi. You say hi? She's soaking wet. So I'm gonna start by adding 2 cans of canned chicken. Now you can use rotisserie chicken. You can also use just thawed chicken or frozen chicken. I'll tell you how to do that in just a second. So right now I'm just gonna add my 2 cans of already cooked chicken into the bottom of my pot. Next, you're gonna add 1 pound of carrots. I just use the bag carrots, but you can use other carrots too. The recipe called for a can of corn, so I just cut up 2 ears of corn, and then also 1/2 onion, and I'm just gonna dump that on top of the carrots. Next, I added 6 cups of chicken broth. So I had a carton, which is 4 cups, and then a can, which is 2. If you feel like you need more chicken broth, you can go ahead and add 1 to 2 more cups of chicken broth. Then I'm gonna add about 1/2 cup of green onions all chopped up. Now for the spices, I'm gonna add about 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder and a little bit of salt and pepper just for taste. Now, if you have pre-cooked chicken, you're gonna add your egg noodles right now, and everything's just gonna cook together. So I added a whole bag. It was a lot of noodles. If you don't want that many noodles, I would probably do 1/2 bag or 3/4 of a bag. So right now I'm just mixing it a little bit before I put the lid on. The noodles don't have to be covered. All right, so my lid is on. Make sure it's on sealing, not venting, and I'm gonna go to 5 minutes. Now here's the trick. If you want to cook thawed chicken that's not cooked yet, you're going to don't put any vegetables in yet, and you're gonna go up to 20 minutes and just cook your chicken broth and your chicken. Then the last 5 minutes, you're gonna put everything else back in and cook the rest for 5 minutes. If your chicken is cooked, you're gonna cook it all just for 5 minutes at the same time. I did a quick release there, so let all the steam out. Then once all the steam's out, you can open your lid and your chicken noodle soup is all done. I love that if you have pre-cooked chicken, it only takes 5 minutes to throw this recipe together. So I serve this recipe with a side salad and some breadsticks because usually that's what we eat with our chicken noodle soup. And I'll put the recipes in the link below for you if you want to find out my side dishes. All right, you guys, that's all I have for you today. Thank you so much for joining me on this Instant Pot Monday. I'll hope to see you later this week. See you later. Bye.